Karungali Mala, Ebony Mala. In today's fast-paced world, many seek peace, protection, and spiritual grounding. The sacred Karungali Mala, crafted from the powerful Karungali, black ebony wood, is more than a devotional accessory. It is a shield of divine energy. Deeply revered in South Indian spiritual traditions, this mala is associated with the blessings of Lord Murugan and ancient wisdom of Hindu, Siddha, and Ayurvedic practices. Hand polished and carefully crafted, each bead is infused with the natural energy of the Karungali tree, believed to possess supernatural forces that repel negativity, strengthen the aura, and promote holistic well-being. The sacred Karungali Mala is not just an ornament but a spiritual companion. Rooted in ancient wisdom, it serves as a protector, healer, and guide for those walking the path of devotion and inner growth. By wearing it with respect and pure intention, you invite divine blessings, prosperity, and peace into your life. Benefits of wearing Karungali Mala: spiritual protection, shield against buri nazar, black magic, and negative vibrations, creates a divine protection aura around the wearer, inner peace and emotional balance, reduce stress, anxiety, fear, and depression, promotes calmness, stability, and restful sleep, health and healing, traditionally believed to regulate blood pressure, boost immunity, and improve bone strength, helps in balancing body heat and supports natural detoxification. Water infused with Karungali wood is used to relieve rashes, acne, and skin issues, focus and meditation, enhances concentration, sharpens memory, and aids in deep meditation. Strengthen the root chakra, Muladhara, for grounding and stability, wealth and career growth, attracts prosperity, financial stability, and career success, removes obstacles that block progress in business or profession, spiritual growth, enhances mantra chanting, meditation, and devotion, acts as a divine conductor, connecting the wearer with higher energies. Guidelines for wearing the mala: purification before first use. Soak the mala in plain water for 1 to 2 hours. Water may change color naturally. Immerse it in raw milk for 12 hours. Rinse gently with clean water and wipe with a soft cotton cloth. Wearing method: wear around the neck or wrist, preferably after a morning bath. Use during meditation or mantra chanting by rolling beads with the right hand. Store in a clean and sacred space when not in use. Do not wear during sleep or bathing, consumption of alcohol or meat, intimate activities, menstruation for women, visits to funerals or cremation grounds. Respecting the mala ensures it retains its sacred energy. Who can wear Karungali Mala? Students and professionals for focus, memory, and career growth. Devotees and spiritual seekers for meditation, chanting, and divine connection. Business people for attracting prosperity and overcoming obstacles. Wellness seekers for holistic healing, stress relief, and inner peace. Suitable for men and women of all ages, the Karungali Mala carries benefits for every aspect of life: spiritual, emotional, and physical.